Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to access your Edge panel on your lock screen for your Samsung Galaxy device. So the Edge panel is a sidebar that gives you quick access to apps, contacts, tools, and widgets. So by enabling it on the lock screen, you don't need to unlock your phone. You can just go ahead and swipe from the right and go ahead and open any apps from that Edge bar. So let me show you how to do this. So in order to use your Edge bar, you want to first go ahead and enable it. So you want to go ahead and open up the settings. Scroll down and find display. From here, scroll down again and find Edge panels. You need to go ahead and turn this feature on. And now you want to go ahead and choose what panels you want to include in your Edge panel. So I'm going to go ahead and include apps, task, people, weather, clipboard, voice changer, reminder, and tools. Next, you want to go ahead and choose where you want your Edge panel to be. So currently I've set it to the right hand side. You can go ahead and choose left or right. You can go ahead and lock the handle so it stays right there. You can go ahead and choose different colors as well. Now next, you want to go ahead and choose transparency and the size and the width. Now once that's done, you want to go ahead and just test it out on your home screen. You can go ahead and customize this by tapping on the pencil icon and choosing what icons here. So here from there, you can go ahead and choose all these Galaxy AI buttons and your normal apps. So now once that's done, go ahead and press home, go ahead and lock your screen, go ahead and wake it up. Now you can go ahead and bring out your Edge panel and use any of those tools. Go ahead and unlock it, use your tools, and then continue your normal day-to-day life. So this feature makes multitasking faster and more convenient. So whether you want to quickly check the weather, open the calculator, or just jump into your favorite app, it's all available with one simple swipe and a tap. So this way it's saving you time and effort. So there you go guys, that is how to access your Edge panel on the lock screen for your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.